Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to explore the Pinterest community and as you can see, if you go on Pinterest and sign up to your account and then go to Pinterest Business Community and sign up, you will see, as you can see, all the conversations, product support, the lounge, business chat if you want to ask anything, group creators, resources, US rewards hub. So this is really good for you to explore and ask questions regarding on Pinterest, what's going on, you know, what you need help with, branding, a lot of success stories. You can take some ideas, you can read new product release for creators, and here below you have conversations of people who asking Pinterest, you know, whatever ideas or what is going on or any help you need. This is very helpful community for you to join, and also you can like and you can reply the conversation. You can see here what is an answer or even create a conversation or ask something. You can see here people asking about the medical guidelines, and here new month, new ideas for your business. A couple of there are more conversations below, you can see. So this is something that you need to explore and take ideas. Here you have a lot of conversations that you can see what people they're asking, and you need to get into this because you need to keep your business in the top of it. So don't just, you know, ignore the fact that Pinterest is giving us a lot of you know, opportunities to check out what you need, you know, to do, and don't stress and stuck in the ideas of I don't know what should I do. There is a free PDF file for you to download. I will put the book below, and get all your strategies and all your plans to grow your business. And as you can see here, you have like how to customize your profile, what to do, and budgets, and also you have resources. It's really helpful for you to see, you know, and get ideas for your products and grow your business the way Pinterest wants you to grow your business. You should be having a look on that, and don't ignore the fact that you can join and learn more about Pinterest. I know it can be very overwhelming because there's a lot of information in here. Just take your time, check the chats, check the resources, check you know, any emails if you get notifications, and get ideas on how to grow your business. So that's it for me today. You can also, don't forget, here you can get story success, which are very popular. And that is for me today. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, connect with me on Twitter and on social media. Please leave a comments below, and I wish you well. Have a lovely day.